Alright, I'd like to welcome you guys to another episode of Pro Picks. Today what we got for you is the Roccat Ryos mechanical keyboard. We're going to jump right in. This keyboard has Cherry MX black key switches. This keyboard has a feature called Roccat Talk, which allows you to use this keyboard in combination with the Roccat mouse. So you can basically cross-bind these keys along with key bindings on the Roccat mouse, basically so they can speak in unison to give you enhanced macro functionality. You have macro keys here along the side, and then the much more conveniently placed macro keys here on your thumb. These ones basically, I personally prefer these over the side ones, then you don't have to move your hand off the action, especially in League of Legends, to use the macro keys. You have a very standard length of non-braided cable. It's got about 6 feet of non-braided cable, also with just a standard USB plug. The keyboard does have rather complex routing options on the bottom. You can see here you can route the cable straight out the back, off the sides, around the front. So you have quite a few options when it comes to the cable routing, how you want to manage the this cable on the bottom. It does have lift-up feet that do have really nice rubber feet on the bottom. It does also have 4 rubber feet in addition to that, along with 1 full rubber strip here. So you're not going to get any slip there. The finish on the keyboard is a non-scuff finish. What that means is it's not a fingerprint magnet. It's not going to get super dirty. And what I found is for that to be generally true. It is really good as far as not picking up fingerprints, and it does stand up pretty well. For our first Roccat keyboard we are reviewing, I'm actually quite impressed. This thing is very nice, very competitive, very good value. The final word on this, I definitely would recommend this keyboard if this is something, if you're looking for something in the style and you do like macro buttons. The key presses are solid, the construction is solid. I would definitely recommend this. So if you like this video, give us a like, subscribe, definitely stay tuned for more hardware reviews, also custom computers. Thanks for watching.